guys, Pete Joe in Pattaya. How is everyone? Second road, guess you're all waiting to come back here. Today's Thursday, 18th of November. Get it right, Pete Joe. Oh, there's your exchange rates, guys. Today in the street, Aussie dollars dropped. England's good. See all that? Money's good. I think all the suitcase shops are opening up. I thought we'd take a look just along here and see what's happening with the demolition and new shops going in. Remember that complex there? What is it? Smith's Avenue. All the bars in there had live music. They're all waiting to reopen. That was good there years ago. Kiss Food and Drink, now back open. The Edge, the new giant tower, new condo block. So Pattaya, yes, still waiting for the bars to open, still no alcohol in restaurants. Sucks a bit, but there's pressure on whoever's in charge to open up shortly. We're hoping alcohol by Christmas. All the old made in Thailand here, all the suitcase shops, and they all want to reopen. That block of land there is supposed to be two big towers going up, but have a look at this. There's central shopping just there. Look at this, guys. This was all the bars, soy made in Thailand. It's been flattened. Will they close this road off in the future and we can't use this as a shortcut? Look at that, that's crazy to think. All the nights in there, drinking, bars everywhere. Sad, I know, but it's progress, you know. Things move on. These bars have been here probably 30 years. It's time to move on. Bring in the sledgehammers, knock them all down. Bulldozers as well. Yeah, look at that. Won't be long, there'll be a hotel or something here. Well, there's still drinks over there in that bar. Man, oh man, made in Thailand goes down there. I wonder if I can get through here. Oh, they just bring... These bars were built not that long ago. These were never here originally. And about 5 years ago, I think they put them in. A few took off and went all right, but with the slow decline in Pattaya, you never know. There used to be a wall here. You couldn't come through to this section, the old tree town. Check Pattaya Joe Facebook. Got some old photos here when this was a football pitch. Look at all the bars here waiting to open. It's crazy. And of course, a forecast rain again. The wet season's been absolutely crap this year. This is where there's going to be the new club there, Trevor Buzz in Pattaya, the new nightclub. Going to be a good little section through here. Oh look, what's happened here? New concrete. Shit, going to have to go over here. Don't wreck the concrete. Wait. Even the bars down there. That goes through to the bars made in, the soy made in down there, apple bar. But all these are waiting to reopen. Let's go have a look down here. Soi Buakhao, we can't go through. They've got wet concrete. Go this way. Look at that, the rain's coming. Only 2 floods this season. There's a lot of little bars around here when they reopen. Still no curfew. Tree Town's still busy at night. There's the beach club waiting to open. All these bars here. Some nice looking bars. I certainly spent some money on some of these bars. Oh, that's going to be really nice. French provincial style. This was Soiscar Beach. The old Soiscar Beach used to be a dead end too. Let's have a quick look down here. So the figures in Pattaya are that since the arrivals, you've had about nearly 50,000 tourists come back. And I've noticed a few condos are slowly picking up. There's a lot of cafe shops opening. Tree Town's busy at night. It's a good little bar, Area 39. They're always quite busy at night. Food and soft drinks. In Tree Town, you can't get a seat in there at night. The traffic's getting busier as well. Beach Road was busy. Tree Town. Well, it's nearly, I think, 5 p.m. now. Rain's going to come out again. See what happens. I thought I'd just give you a quick look. It's not a real lot to update. You can all come back, but at the moment, no bars. But it is getting busier. By 11 p.m. though, it's pretty quiet and dark and everyone's going home. Still good fun, still hot. It's cool season now, it's only about 28 degrees. And there we are, guys. Soi Buakhao, the market here. Always a busy spot. Don't get run over. Roads are dangerous here. They're getting busier and busier. But still good to be here, guys. Hope you can all come back soon. This is Uru from P. Joe. Over and out.